Fry fish with water without sneezing and it gets it super crispy. Here I'm using fish fillet. The type of fish you will use will be of your preference. Over the fish, squeeze half lemon. Season with lemon pepper to taste. A little salt. And now just spread the seasoning all over the fillet. Leave in the fridge marinating for at least 30 minutes. In another container add 4 tablespoons of wet flour and 4 tablespoons of cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, salt to taste. And now stir everything very well. Then pan all the fillets. All done. Now just dive in the water. This technique does not let oil splash and is even crispier. Now just take it to fry in hot oil. As soon as it browns, just remove the fish and let it run. Our fish is ready. She looks amazing. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, easy and a delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.